acting mad right now because Judy hasn't IM'd me back all day. I mean, she'll usually at least IM me back saying I'm a freak or something. Oh my god, I just came up with a good idea. I'll send Judy pictures of me so she'll IM me back. Photo shoot time!
Watch a boy do his thing. Let me show you something. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this. Watch how I do this.
I got sassy in that photo shoot.
Fred, don't take off any of your clothes in front of that camera unless someone pays you.
Mom, I know you've told me 100 times. I'm gonna give the photos to Judy. Anyone home? Nobody's answering. Oh my god, it's unlocked. Oh my god, I'm in Judy's house. Okay, I think I found Judy's room. I never knew the bedrooms inside her trailer were so big. Jeez, what's with all the weird things on the wall? I never knew Judy was a tomboy. Ew, somebody had an accident last night. I guess I'm not the only one who wets the bed still. Looks like this is Judy's bathroom. Ew, learn to flush the toilet, Judy, you sicko. It's Judy's beautiful hair. Her perfume smells good. Oh my god, she has notes inside here. I love Kevin and I'm gonna marry him someday. Fred is really ugly. I hate him. I hope he dies. What the heck? God! I know she loves me. She loves me. Okay, well, I'm gonna go because this is getting kind of stalkerish. Oh my god! No, Judy, just take these pictures. No! Oh my god, I'm so scared. The whole time I was running home, she was calling me a stalker. I'm not a stalker. It's not like I went through her underwear drawer or anything. Now that would be a stalker. All I did was go inside her house because no one was opening the door, okay? And I sure as heck hope that she doesn't call 911 because if she does, what if I have to go to prison? Or a juvenile delinquent center? Well, at least I remembered to give her the pictures. Oh, some people think I'm weird, but I'm not a stalker.
Fred, Judy's mom just called and told me what you did. You are too a stalker. Get in your room.
Mom, I'm not a stalker! Even my mom thinks I'm a stalker! I'm not a creepy person! I bet you the weird squirrel thing doesn't think I'm a stalker. Do you think I'm a stalker? Oh, I knew you'd always be on my side. Wait, why are you inside my house? Ew, the squirrel is inside my house! My mom said I can never have stray animals inside my house. Okay, well I have to go get the squirrel out of my house before it pees on the floor. Bye! Oh, Judy, why you have to make me so blue?